Hi guys! So this is Engineer Abat again, once again for YouTube Shorts. And for today's YouTube short, maaaral natin paano ba tayo mag-solve ng complex number using our calculator. So una muna, mode tayo sa mode. And then as you can see, pupindutan lang natin yung number 2 for the complex mode. Okay, so you are already in the complex mode. Okay? So as you can see here, sa engineering function, meron tayong letter I. So kapag pinindot mo yung engineering function na naka-mode complex ka na, instead na mag-engineering function, pag pinindot mo to, ang lalabas ay I. So kapag hindi ka naka-complex, okay, let's say compute ka lang na mode, pag pinindot mo to, nothing will happen. Okay? So, or for example, enter ka lang, nag-engineering notation ka, okay, lalabas yung engineering notation pero hindi lalabas yung I. So kailangan natin bumalik sa mode complex. Okay, so what are we going to do here? Let's say we have 2i plus 3i. Okay, that's 5i, no? So let's say we have 5i plus 5. Okay, and then quantity natin ito with 1 minus I. So syempre kailangan mong gamitan ng ano yan ng foil, no? Pero dito diretso na. So you have 10. Okay? So kung gusto mo ring i-convert yung rectangular to polar, let's say 5 plus I, pipindutin mo lang yung shift complex. Okay, and then may makikita ka dito, shift complex 2, and then makikita mo yung argument, conjugate, polar, and then to rectangular. So since nagbigay tayo ng rectangular, gawin natin polar number 3. So this is our polar form. And I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe.